That drive will take a while to decrypt. Any luck with the construction site?
Negative. It was obviously shut down in a hurry, but no real clues as to why. Definitely nothing connecting it to this guy Langstrom.
If only Bruce had had the chance to tell us what he was working on. This case, it's like reading a book with half the pages missing.
If anyone can figure it out, it's you, Babs.
This is a tough one, even for Oracle.
I wasn't talking about Oracle or Batgirl. I was talking about Barbara freaking Gordon. You've got this. And I've got your back, every step of the way.
Thanks, Dick. We'll figure this out. All of us.
Batgirl. You're not walking this one off! Oh, yeah!
Better start talking.
I'll talk!
Thanks. Better luck next time.
I don't like it.
Belfry here. Happy to report we're now fully operational. Before you head back, though...
We got something to do, Belfry?
The hard drive from Langstrom's lab requires a biodecryption key.
Biodecryption. That definitely tracks with what I saw in his lab. I guess I'm heading to the GCPD morgue, huh?
Indeed. With Knights in Gotham as they are, it should be quiet at the station. Relatively.
Don't worry. I know my way around. Another busy night. Hope that makes it easier to sneak inside the station. I remember when they'd let me use the front door. Now, where was the morgue again?
The morgue's on the far side of the bullpen. Make sure the cops don't see you sneaking around.
Goddamn freaks. That's my daughter's school.
We got a few in lockup. One caller in interrogation.
I pay $100 for 5 minutes alone.
Did anyone claim that John Doe body? Buff guy, wild outfit.
Nope.
Damn. Work's pretty packed with that scientist now.
You turned your body cam off right in front of Montoya?
Is that bad?
She was loyal to Gordon. Police like that can't be trusted.
You want to hear what they say about you out there? It's time for you to fall in line, Detective Montoya.
Fall in line? Bullshit. I'm good at my job, Commissioner. Jim Gordon? Recognize that. If you want recognition, call your parents. Gordon isn't here to protect you anymore. Gordon protected Gotham. You should try doing the same. You want to save Gotham? Fine. Get out of my face and go do something useful for a change.
Jesus Christ.
Eat the student body! Barbecue the rich! Make it spicy! Shut up in there, you freaking nut job! Freaking nut job!
I swear, cross my ticker. I grew an ear on my shoulder.
What I wouldn't give to see that signal in the sky again.
It fell off, and then I ate it.
Keep that crap to yourself, weirdo.
I guess the cat was finally dragged in. No, thank you. Let's hope that's the last we'll see of Ra's al Ghul.
Sneaky in the dark. Now here we are again. We'll get me with more gasoline. Burning, don't waste it. That's what they say. I said shut up.
The morgue is just on the other side of the bullpen.
Now would be a particularly bad time to be spotted.
Will you stop giving me shit? Bad enough I'm writing it down. Kane's got me in her sights. I need to keep my nose clean for a while. She's definitely overreacting. I barely hit that kid. Not my fault he tripped and hit the curb. Yeah, goddamn parents want to sue the city. Good thing he's got prior. The lawyers will use that.
They sure released the Langstrom scene quick.
The freak showed up. Kinda took the attention away. Plus, you know, it was clearly an accident.
An accident? Have you seen the pictures?
We close cases here. You want to play detective, Rook? You're in the wrong city.
Locked. Of course.
Someone must have a key. The desk sergeant, perhaps.
been digging pretty deep into Red Hood. My file. This wouldn't have cut it when a Gordon was in charge. Did Nightwing write this himself? Robin's file. They assume he's been one person the whole time. Found it. The forensics team. Did someone target them specifically?
Be careful.
Good. Still breathing. Belfry? Talia Ghul is here.
Copy. Be careful.
You know you can't beat me. My beloved has trained you well.
I remember him telling you to stay out of Gotham.
Dead men's wishes don't concern me. Besides, I'm here to clean up my father's mess. Which in this case is the demon himself.
You're not even a little bit tempted to use a Lazarus pit to bring your father back? Wouldn't be the first time. Wait! Why did he go after Bruce? Classic. Langstrom. Guess the ME was in the middle of the autopsy.
You're looking for a bio-decryption key. So a device, I guess, powered by genetic material.
Langstrom's file didn't say anything about diabetes. Why would he need a glucose meter? In another life, I was a medical examiner. You can learn a lot about how a person lived and died from blood. He modded the glucometer to conceal data, using his blood for bioencryption. Belfry, the GCPD just clued in that Talia's been here. Better split.
Way ahead of you. They're coming in heavy, so be careful. Wait, Batman never told me he had access to the GCPD systems. Now I guess I do too? And now, for my next trick...
Past time to sneak out of here.
Entrance is secure.
Spread out! We'll find the perp.
Keep going. They've got to be here somewhere.
there.
All right, let's move.
Belfry, the way to the exit is clear. Thanks.
Happy to help. Can't wait to see what you found.
Hiding count is evading arrest.
CPD is on to me.
Oh, do be careful. It really wouldn't do to chip the paint on the Bat Cycle this quickly.
Of course.